Hi, my name is Pierre, and I will show you how to create plans with Panoroom. Point your device at the floor and move it left and right until the floor is visible on your device. Make sure that the room is well lit and the floor has some texture. When you're ready, move the virtual wall on the baseboard of an actual wall. If it doesn't align, rotate your device. Here, you can see a user aligning the first wall by rotating the device. Once the first wall is placed, we can start marking the room perimeter. The key concept here is to aim at the consecutive baseboards and hitting the mark button to confirm the dimensions. If one of the baseboards is not visible, you can also place a dimension on a wall, but it is not generally recommended. You can close the room perimeter by looking at the finish flag. Once we're ready with closing the perimeter, we can start placing windows. Tap the window button and start with the bottom left, and then move the center of your device to the top right. Confirm the placement with hitting the button. The same applies to the doors, but in this case you will just need to mark the left edge and then the top right corner. Once you're ready, you can hit the Finalize button to generate the plan. You can add dimensions by tapping on the walls which have the same direction. Swipe dimensions to place them where you want them to be on the plan. Tap on the room name placeholder to give it a name. It is also possible to modify the doors. By clicking at them, you can change the pivot point, and by sliding the red dot, you can change how far the doors open. If you want to create plans with multiple rooms, just exit the room you are currently in. Then, press the plus button to mark the first wall of the second room, and continue with marking wall perimeter, just like you did in the first room. On the newer devices, it is possible to place the first wall automatically. Just look at a wall with visible baseboard from a couple of angles, and the wall will be detected. You can also place consecutive walls just by looking at them. Sometimes the walls will not be detected, and you will have to look at them from a couple of angles. You can always fall back to placing the dimensions on baseboards. I wish you many creative floor plans, and do not forget to rate our app.